How to give a birthday shout out on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can give a birthday shout out on your Instagram story to your friends. First thing first, you'll have to open up your Instagram app and make sure that it's up to date. To do that, first open up your Play Store and here on the search bar, just search for Instagram. And once you find Instagram, just tap on it to see if the app is up to date. So if you see an update button here like this, you just want to tap on this update to update the app to its latest version. Now, once you have updated the app, open up your Instagram. And once you land on the home page, the first thing that you want to do is head over to your story section by swiping right on your screen. And then you just want to tap on the create button. So here, just tap on this create button to create a story. You can choose your background type by tapping on the bottom right corner. So once you do that, once you choose your color, what you want to do is tap on this second tab right here that where you can mention people. So go ahead and tap on this tab. And once you do that, you'll immediately get the happy birthday page where you have an option to mention someone. So you can just enter their username or URL like this. And once you tap on their name, it will extract their profile picture if they have any. And then here you can choose a random post from your story or anything like that that you've previously mentioned. You can just remove it from your archives and then you will be able to easily wish them happy birthday like this. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.